I'm John Stump. I'm the facilities maintenance instructor here at Eastland-Fairfield. This program is geared toward facilities such as apartment complexes, some hospitals, assisted living complexes, something that has lots of rooms. What those folks were looking for is somebody that can start at square one and finish the job all the way out. So basically what you're looking at is a really good basis for anybody that wants to be in any kind of a maintenance program.
My name is Jock Simmons, and I'm in the facility maintenance program. We're being taught plumbing and electrician and flooring and drywalling and HVAC. So it's a lot of different things that I can actually put my hands on when it comes down to business-wise. We actually being taught how to paint as well. If I just want to go out to paint, I'll just go out to paint. If I want to do drywall or flooring, people like marble floors, hardwood floors, I can turn it all into a business.
The students are in class 2 days one week, 3 days the next week. When they're not in class, they're able to work actually an 8-hour day as part-time. So that allows them to get their foot in the door. It also gives the business partners what they wanted as a full shift when they're not here.
The instructor, he's very hands-on, takes his time. He knows what he's talking about. You can tell he's been there. He'll tell his little side stories, but it always involves in putting your hands onto something.
You really don't need any experience. Just listen and be inquisitive, okay? Ask questions. That's the best way anybody learns other than doing it with your hands.
He let us take things apart, put it back together. If we make a mistake, he tell us what we did wrong, but he let us make the mistake to show us what we did wrong.
We have tons of resources that we can look through, okay? If I don't know everything, but I kind of know where to find everything. And that's one thing about a maintenance guy. If you don't know it, you need to know where to find it.
I like everything about the program. Everything that we get into, from the plumbing to the electrician to dealing with the tools to messing with different things, measuring things, learning how to read a blueprint, everything. It's all good. I like it. I like everything about it.
If you show up for work and you work well, there may be a full-time job at the end of that for you.